Hello, I'm Stephen Gold. Blast, that's wasted 3 seconds. The cost of bringing insolvency proceedings is going up. What you have to pay over to the court when you start off. That's as from the 1st of November, an extra £510 for bankruptcy, an extra £1,000 for company winding up. Creditors will think 20 times before bringing proceedings. You see, the heavier the court fees, the heavier the loss if the debtor cannot and does not pay up. We've seen recent changes in stamp duty on the purchase of properties. In England, they call it land transaction tax in Wales. Say you're just modestly over the limit. Well, you may be able to avoid, or at least reduce, the stamp duty by putting a separate figure on the chattels, if any, which you're buying with the property. Like carpets, curtains, and furniture, but not fixtures like built-in wardrobes. Check this wouldn't have any impact on your mortgage offer, and don't overinflate the price for chattels, or you could be in trouble. Social services who are negligent in their responsibility towards a child in their care may have to pay damages. But the Court of Appeal has just ruled that that isn't restricted to the situation where there is a formal care court order in force. If, for example, social services allow a child who isn't the subject of a care order to stay at their home, say with their parents, with them keeping or not keeping an eye on what's going on, and the child is abused, then they may still have to dip into their pocket and pay damages. If you have a county court small claim, I suggest you get in a good book to read while you're waiting for the final hearing date. War and Peace ought to be appropriate. You see, figures just published show that the average waiting time from start until that final hearing is 51 weeks. You can always participate in the county court's free telephone mediation service, but don't be browbeaten by the mediator. They can sometimes be a bit too anxious in trying to get a settlement, and you can get some sort of consolation for the delay by claiming interest when you start the case at a rate of 8%.